Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I'm over here. Oh, the smell of the peaches is so nice. I didn't plan on doing this part, sorry about that, but this smells so good because they're really ripe right now. Everything's getting ripe. You can see how much apricots fell on the floor. This is pretty much last night. They just splatted, except for the really dark ones. But the problem I have, that sucks. Yes, apricots, I love them, but I love plums, and my Santa Rosas are falling. Here's another one right here. I gotta get them off. So here's some beautiful, just gorgeous fruit. I don't know why people don't plant the Santa Rosa plum. Now I'm not gonna wipe them off any more than that, or at all. I just did this for presentation right now. You want to keep that coating on until you're ready to eat them. You'll preserve them just a little bit. That's in my opinion. Don't know about the research. All I know is if I wash them or rub off that coating, they'll go bad on the counter, or that's ready to pop right here. They'll go bad on the counter or go bad in the fridge like twice as faster. So don't wash your fruit. It's especially true with grapes if you didn't know that. So I'm just picking the fruit. No, it's not that great of a video. Maybe it is to many. But here comes Lulu. Hey Lulu. So I can't allow them to fall anymore. So these are a little bit firmer. So, but I love the color. You think they'll be like, they look like a prune almost, the color, but then when you wipe them off, they're just a bright orange, reddish orange. This doesn't look good right here. That doesn't look good. Oh, see what I mean? Just barely even touched it. They're just falling off. I'll eat that one, I guess. Poor me. I gotta eat a peach. I'm doing this video also to so if anyone's just watching for the first time of my channel, I have a 4-in-1. It's a Babcock peach, Santa Rosa plum, Balaam apricot. You can see all of them. And a Fantasia nectarine. You can see one right there. There's more over there. They're nowhere near ripe. Nectarine needs a little bit more time. But I'm doing this video to really push the Santa Rosa plum on Instagram. I got a lot of questions of why does everybody always get a Santa Rosa plum? What's so good about it? The taste. And this is what it is. This is what it is. The fruit. The flesh is sweet, like a plum. You know, nothing spectacular, but still delicious and juicy, really juicy. More, I'm really filling up here. More so than other varieties I grow, including pluots. But this is kind of stuck here. I don't know what's going to happen with this one. Whenever it's stuck, dang, that was well, I'm not that afraid of spiders, but still, I don't want to climb it up my arm. Not that bad. You got to worry about when fruit gets stuck. That means there's a spot for a bug to grow or live. That's a nice one. It's the skin of the plum. The skin of the Santa Rosa is the key. The skin. Now see, I think this fell and it was just stuck there and it was attached. So I don't know if this is good anymore. Whatever. We'll find out. But the skin is so tart, and this is stuck too, so tart and so sour. I believe those two are different. Tart and sour, I think. But coupled with the sweetness and juiciness of that plum, it's amazing. It's amazing. So if anyone's still around, thank you for staying around. I want to continue doing videos like this where it's real, less editing, just loving it, you know? It's like you're right here with me. I'd love it if I had more gardeners around me while I'm doing this kind of stuff, hear their input. But if you want a plum, you are going to put yourself in a predicament where you're going to regret not planting a Santa Rosa. Now with this Santa Rosa, there's one right there. I pruned a lot off, like you see here where I painted it, where I pruned, because I need to contain it. Santa Rosa plum grows like crazy. If I allow this to grow, see the suckers, or what do they call them, the water sprouts or the water shoots? This is already growing at least 6-7 feet up. And that's from just this year, just this season, going all the way out, way out there. So I had to prune it hard, and because of that, I lost a lot of the budwood. But I knew that would happen. I don't really mind. Okay, good. I think that's about it. Lulu, where are you? Lulu, where'd she go? Man, she's like a... You know, I usually have hunting dogs. This is my first time having a cattle dog, and they're so quiet. Dang it. Look at that one over there. I don't know. This is next. I'm going to be making jam with this. I cannot eat anymore, guys. I'm going to get sick. This is just one branch. There's 3 of these. So anyways, Santa Rosa plum. You're not going to regret it. Santa Rosa plum. Happy gardening.